Hey everybody, Fulcher Rash. Welcome back to 365 Days of Irish Tenor Banjo Tunes. Today we are on day 169. Going to be doing a slip jig today. Not something I do very often, but the Banjo Buddy actually just did a tutorial on this particular song, and I thought, why not give it a chance? It's number 299 in the book. It's called Ryan's Slip Jig, or the Black-Haired Lass, or apparently it has many other names. But that's what we're going to be doing. It's in D. So like always, I'll do the first time through nice and slow, then we'll do some practice and try and speed it up. Oh yeah, that one was kind of fun. Not too bad. It's a very short tune, only 4 bars for each part, and then with the repeat, of course. But yeah, so I guess that's it for tonight. We'll see you all tomorrow. So long.